I'm out of the way.
Can you think that means you have to remove the camera from there?
I don't like how close I'm getting to the edge. Waterfall. Okay.
We're gonna find out and do it. Except you're only allowed to use
Zip line. Oh shit. How far down does this shit go?
600 meters.
That part's a little narrow.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah, it's called their basalt. They're all basaltic rocks. They're like that. Really cool shape.
Holy shit. Shall we?
So this is the same.
No problem.
My legs are shaking.
Why are they shaking? What do you mean they just shake?
I'm the fattest skinny person you'll ever know.
Fattest?
I'm the fattest skinny girl ever. My legs shaking?
No, your face goes. Tell him the waterfall.
Hey, yo, up.
I'm not letting them shake. Why are they shaking? I don't know, if I like release the pressure on them, they go crazy.
There's not swimming underneath the water.
I had a watch.
Monster.
I'm more red though.
Well, swimming looks like it's a little crowded. Wow, tourism. La 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 water. La 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 water. La, la. Oh, it is really cold.
It's nice.
Yeah.
And you can throw volcanic sand at each other.
Not with the video camera on.
It's pretty cool.